I went out to buy a new phone. On the way, my friend asked me, "Where are you going?" I said, "I'm going to buy a phone." Then he said, "Why don't you buy it online? You can get amazing phones there." He showed me the Realme GT 70, and honestly, the features looked crazy. A phone around $450 with a 678-inch AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, Medica Dimensity 8400 Max processor, 12GB RAM, up to 512GB storage, a huge 7000 mAh battery, 120W fast charging, a 50MP Sony camera with OIS and IP69 water resistance. I thought, wow, this is a powerful phone. I should order it online. So I placed the order, made the payment, but what happened next was something I never expected. Stay until the end to see the full story. 1 week later, the package finally arrived. I was excited. I opened the box and took the phone out. But when I pressed the power button, nothing happened. The phone just wouldn't turn on. The excitement of getting a new phone turned into a huge disappointment. Online shopping can be great, but always check the seller and warranty before buying expensive gadgets. Because sometimes even a brand new phone can give you a shocking surprise. Watch the full video till the end.